How do I hang or secure the sheet properly for use as a projector screen?
Hello and welcome. If you're looking to create a makeshift projector screen with a sheet, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be demonstrating how to securely hang a sheet for use as a projector screen.
What will you need?
To start with, you will need the following: a clean, white sheet, a flat and clear wall, adhesive hooks or nails, hammer, if using nails, measuring tape, a level for ensuring your screen is straight. Please note, the sheet should be as wrinkle-free as possible. Wrinkles may distort the projected image.
How to choose the right spot?
Choosing the right location for your screen is crucial. You'll want a wall that's flat and clear of any obstacles. Make sure it's big enough to accommodate the size of the sheet you're using. Consider the projection distance as well. The farther away the projector is, the larger the image will be.
How to hang the sheet?
Once you have your spot picked out, it's time to hang the sheet. 1. Measure and mark. Using the measuring tape, measure and mark the top 2 corners where you want your screen to hang. Utilize the level to ensure your marks are aligned. 2. Attach the hooks or nails. Following the instructions on the package, attach your adhesive hooks at the marked spots. If you're using nails, gently hammer them in. Be careful not to damage the wall. 3. Hang the sheet. Once the hooks or nails are secure, hang your sheet. Ensure it is taut to avoid any wrinkles. You might need additional hooks or nails on the bottom to achieve this. 4. Check for wrinkles. Finally, check for wrinkles. You may have to adjust the tension on the sheet to get a flat surface. That's it. You now have a DIY projector screen using a sheet. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, the key is to ensure your sheet is as smooth and taut as possible for the best viewing experience. Happy projecting!